Now, I haven't broken a lot of light bulbs in my lifetime. I can probably count the number on one hand, but the times I have broken them, I can remember those tiny, shattered little pieces everywhere that take forever to clean up, and if they're not totally cleaned up, I may find them lodged in my bare foot at some point. Definitely has happened. Do I think broken light bulbs are a huge problem? No, but they can be a problem, especially if you need light in small areas or places where bulbs might get knocked out easily. Either way, after testing this week's new Tolu 2 for myself, I'm all about it. IncrediBulb is a shatterproof, flexible LED light bulb that's made with silicone, so it'll literally bounce when dropped and never shatter. You have to see it and feel it to believe it. It's crazy, but it works. Always looking for ways to improve everyday items. After inventor Joelle Mertzel dropped and broke a light bulb, she pondered, why are light bulbs so easily broken? So she got to work, and the result is an incredible shatterproof bulb made from silicone that stays cool to the touch and lasts for years. Sounds like a bright idea to us. Each energy-efficient and environmentally friendly IncrediBulb will last 13 plus years. After hours of use, the light bulb will remain cool to the touch. They're designed for home use. You can really use them in any room, but they're great for the attic or for a motorhome where light bulbs often get knocked and break. Best part yet, they are super reasonably priced. A 2-pack 40-watt goes for $9.99. A 2-pack 60-watt goes for $11.99. You can get them in 12 packs. And you can find out more about these super cool and bouncy IncrediBulbs on HouseSmartsRadio.com.
And that's this week's New Tolu 2.